Best deals.
1. Glass jars is made of the highest quality materials for maximum durability and convenience. Thicker high-quality glass offers superior resistance to impact. These small square glass jars are ideal for storing spices, herbs, teas, jams, paper clips, bath salts and much more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steamer comes with 3 square idli plates and 3 dokla plates that create perfectly steamed, visually distinct snacks. Add a creative twist to your regular meals with consistent, fluffy results every time. Designed for more than just idlis and dokla, easily steam momas, modak, muthia, and vegetables, or reheat rice and chapatis while preserving moisture and flavor, has a dedicated lifter that makes handling hot trays safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fruit stand. Perfect for any occasion, this multi-tier platter elegantly displays fruits, snacks, dips, and more, enhancing your kitchen's organization and presentation. The twist and fold mechanism allows the platter to collapse into a compact size, making it easy to store in any kitchen cabinet without taking up much space. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Slicer. Easily slice almonds, cashews and more with this compact dry fruit cutter. A must-have addition for all kitchen setups. Chop your favorite nuts with precision using this dry fruit chopper. Works as an efficient dry fruit slicer for quick, mess-free results every time, ideal for busy households and festive prep. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tadka. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron, this frying pan is built to last, resisting warping. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Containers box. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, these storage containers are durable, rust-resistant, and built to last for daily kitchen use. Built with thick, heavy-gauge stainless steel. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Casserole. Advanced laser-etched honeycomb pattern ensures effortless food release and prevents sticking, allowing smooth cooking and easy cleaning without scratching or wear. Made from food-grade, premium 304 stainless steel cooking pot resists rust, stains, and odors. It also provides a thick base for even heating. Wide, riveted handles. Comfortable, balanced grip. Moves safely from the hob to the table. Vented lid for controlled steam. Designed for all cooktops, gas, induction, electric, and ceramic. The flat, warp-resistant base ensures steady contact and even heating, perfect for everything from daily soups to large batch stocks. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Strainer bag. Made from 100% natural unbleached cotton, ensuring safe, healthy, and chemical-free straining. Filters even the smallest particles, delivering smooth yogurt, milk, juices, coffee, or cheese. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Clips. The extra-large gripping area securely holds thick or large items in place, preventing sagging or slipping, perfect for hassle-free daily laundry and outdoor drying. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Wardrobe divider. The 4-compartment adjustable wardrobe divider ensures your handbags and purses are neatly separated, preventing any unnecessary rubbing or damage. Its clear plastic construction lets you spot your favorite bag at a glance. Keep every accessory pristine and perfectly accessible with this thoughtfully designed organizer. Crafted from high quality, this bag divider exudes luxury while maintaining durability. This premium material blends seamlessly with any closet decor, providing a chic and modern touch to your space. Transform your closet into a clutter-free haven with these adjustable compact dividers. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Curd maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strain smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Constructed from high-quality plastic and stainless steel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Steamer basket. Designed for effortless steaming, high-quality steamer for cooking is perfect for making momos, dumplings, vegetables, and more. Its multi-purpose design ensures healthy and flavorful meals every time. This high-quality baby food steamer is perfect for steaming nutritious meals for your little one, while also serving as a momo maker steamer for delicious homemade dumplings. Its durable design makes it an ideal momo steamer for versatile cooking needs. Perfect for healthy cooking, this high-quality steam cooker ensures even steaming for vegetables, dumplings, and more. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Appam pan. Cast iron ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. This appam maker is ideal for creating perfectly cooked appams. Its sturdy build enhances cooking efficiency. Appam pan is perfect for a variety of dishes. Use it as an up pan, paddu tawa, or anniyappam chatti. The Paniyaram cast iron design allows for traditional cooking with modern convenience. This paddu maker offers a secure grip, making it easy to transport and serve your culinary creations. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strainer pot. Made of borosilicate glass and withstands temperatures of up to 350 degrees centigrade. Can be safely used in the microwave and low-flame gas oven, also will not leach chemicals into your food even over repeated usage. Glass will not turn milky or cloudy with repeated usage. The strainer lid allows loose tea leaves to be steeped in the pot, ensuring perfect flavor to every sip. Spout mouth for easy pouring of liquid. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toothbrush head cover. This compact set includes 2 banana toothbrush head covers and 2 silicone toothpaste containers. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in handbags, backpacks, or luggage, making it ideal for travel, business trips, or everyday carry. Made with high-quality, durable materials. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Egg boiler. Serve the whole family by cooking up to 6 boiled eggs or 3 poached eggs at a time. 400 power, ensures perfect results every time for all types of eggs. Poached egg tray accessory, easy to use and clean unique poached tray for up to 3 eggs at a time. Compact and easy to store design with ready and on signal to make your life easy. This feature gives you full control over how you like your eggs boiled, whether you prefer soft boiled eggs for breakfast, medium boiled for salads, or hard boiled eggs for snacks. It's an ideal egg boiler multipurpose appliance that caters to all your egg preferences, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grinder. Comes with 2-leaf stainless steel blades for dry grinding and 4-leaf blades for blending. For best results, use stainless steel jars with grind blades for dry ingredients like spices and nuts, and transparent jars with blend blades for wet items like chutneys, juices, and smoothies. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Hair dryer holder. Crafted from durable metal, this wall-mounted hair dryer holder offers a sleek and practical storage solution for your hair dryer and styling accessories. It keeps your hair, dryer, styling tools, and small accessories neatly arranged in one place, perfect for bathrooms, salons, dressing rooms, and more. Made from durable steel, this hair dryer holder is built to withstand daily use without bending or damage. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ice cube bucket. Pour half of the water directly into the ice maker cup, and the water injection is completed in 3 seconds, saving time. This ice cup maker would be a great gift idea for friends or family who love to make ice. The skinny ice cube tray is made of BPA-free silicone, which makes the ice easier to release than plastic ice cube trays. Press the ice cylinder lightly, the ice cubes fall off and easy to use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Duster. Made from high-quality stainless steel telescopic rod, easy to extend and close. Extendable handle allows for easy access in hard-to-reach areas. The soft foam handle allows for easy gripping and comfort while cleaning. Premium microfiber bristle perfect for exterior and interior without scratching. It owns strong adsorption force and can easily remove dust and dirt. No hair loss, no debris, light and durable, beautiful and delicate. High-density pet bristles, reusable, odorless, suitable for wet and dry use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cloth washing tub. The tub for washing clothes is suitable for washing small and delicate clothes. The ridged surface of the washboard helps hand wash and remove stains, saving time and effort. You don't have to wait for all the clothes to get dumped to put them in the washing machine. Instead, you can easily wash the ones you need quickly. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Grill pan. Ridges raise food, excess oil drains away for healthful and tasty food. 3-quart durable PFOA-free non-stick inside, healthy, hygienic, low-oil cooking. Toughened heat-proof glass lid, cook and serve elegantly. See the food without lifting the lid. Pressure die cast technology allows for metal thickness exactly where needed, so your pan is strong and heats evenly, yet is light and easy to handle. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Hangers. Are made of durable stainless steel and ABS plastic, sturdy while lightweight. They are strong enough even if your pants are oversized or heavy duty. The edge of cloth hangers for wardrobe is smooth, which protects your clothes from scratching and creases. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Knife set. Features ultra-sharp, precision ground edges for effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, and is built to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Containers. These BPA-free silicone small travel containers are perfect for storing lotions, creams, shampoos, powders, and condiments. Take them with you on your next business trip or vacation without worry of spills or leakage. Including 3 travel bottles of 20 ml, right size is allowed for taking to airplane, great choice for short trip. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Coffee maker. Crafted from stainless steel, the coffee maker ensures lasting performance and heat resistance. Its sturdy build helps maintain coffee temperature while helps to support repeated daily use. Designed for Indian kitchens, it is compatible with gas, induction, and electric stovetops, making it an ideal choice for traditional or modern brewing preferences. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Pepper grinder. Innovative pepper mill dispenses spice with speed and ease. Can grinding 2 kinds of spices at both ends at the same time. Adjust tightness can control the milled pepper size big. Suitable for milling pepper and other small-sized spices. Ideal gadget to make freshly pepper powder. Spice for enjoying a tasty salad or steak. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Chopper. Is perfect for daily use and fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Its lightweight and cordless space-saving build makes it especially suitable for small or modular kitchens. Chopper comes with a built-in safety mechanism that prevents operation until the lathe is locked properly in the given slots and the lathe button is pressed. The one-touch push button operation not only makes the mini chopper easy to use but it is also safe. Chopper is powered by a 30-watt high-performance DC motor with a 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery for longer use. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Fan. With a 6.8-inch height, 5.7-inch length, and 1.4-inch thickness, this fan is as sleek as a mobile phone and lightweight at 250 grams, making it easy to carry in your purse or bag. Perfect for busy moms who need a cooling solution on the go. Use the fan as a standing unit on its stable, non-slip base or mount it on the wall to save space and enjoy reliable cooling in any environment, great for multitasking moms at home or in the office. Easily customize airflow with a convenient control knob, ranging from 1% to 100%, for precise cooling tailored to your comfort. Perfect for moms needing flexibility during work, cooking, or relaxation. Designed for multitasking moms, the display alternates between speed and battery level, letting you stay informed without extra effort, perfect for keeping cool while managing a busy schedule. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with a 350 W motor, 10 kPa suction, and 5000 vibrations per minute, this compact vacuum loosens and removes deeply embedded dust, bacteria, and mites hiding below the surface. From sofas and bedsheets to plush toys, it helps busy moms clean what the eyes can't see, quickly, safely, and without heavy lifting. The built-in UVC quartz lamp targets and eliminates 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and mites from soft surfaces. And for peace of mind, the UV light automatically switches off when lifted, keeping your little ones safe during every cleanup. The built-in HEPA filter captures ultra-fine dust, mites, pet dander, and allergens that regular filters often miss. It prevents these particles from going back into the air, creating a cleaner, healthier space for your kids and pets. It is washable and easy to rinse underwater. The transparent dustbin lets you see exactly what's collected, making cleanups quick, hygienic, and mom-approved. Designed with moms in mind, this tool helps you reduce sneezing, sniffles, and bedtime allergies with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 30th link.